So one of the changes I made to beta algo is that I added the background color. So if you see the background color as blue, that means generally it is very bullish. So we have to only look at the buy signals. Whenever it is in this light orange, or- then you should only look at the sell signals. So that is one of the first changes. And then I also added these pivot lines. So whenever the pivot lines are very close to each other, there will be a big volatility or there will be a trending market. So for example, in Q on Friday, it was the lines are very close. So there was a huge, right? There was a big downtrend. So today the lines are little far away. That means mostly it will be in a range, right? It may go up, come down, again go up. So there won't be a big uptrend or big downtrend. It will be in a sideways or in a choppy market. So whenever these lines you see them far away, it will be in a range zone or in a sideways market, but you won't see a big downtrend or uptrend. For example, if you go to copper and see these lines are very close to each other. That means there can be a big downtrend or big uptrend. There will be a huge volatility. There will be a big upside and downside with copper uh, tonight or tomorrow morning. Right? When you see on Friday, you can see that there is a huge distance between these lines and it was more choppy. It was just moving in a sideways direction. There was not much momentum. But today when market opened, it went so much high. Now again it is coming down. It may try to come here and again go up. So that is one more change I made with the beta algo. You can see so crude oil, heating oil on Friday it was the lines were very close. There was a big move. Today also not very close, but still the lines are so we can see a big momentum with the heating oil and crude oil. So on Friday the lines were very far. Today they are close. So right today morning itself I told like it can go to 69. It touched it and went all the way to 69 at 8 o'clock. So by looking at those things, if you see something is gold, there is a huge distance between the lines. That means gold can be choppy. So it is not a good idea to enable prism with gold because there is a huge distance. Whereas on Friday, you can see that these lines are very close, so there was a big downtrend. Today, we may see more of a sideways action because the lines are far from each other. Silver also, we may see more of a sidelines or a choppy price action. Here, the lines were very close to each other, so there was a big downtrend on Friday. So generally, you always better you take something where you have a the lines where the lines are more close to each other. That is the best one to choose. In Q also, you can see that on Friday the lines were very close. Today they are little far away. So there can be more of a choppy price or sideways right? There won't be a big uptrend, right? On Friday, it was more of a downtrend. So today it may go up, come down, again go up, something like that. It is, right? It will be like a range. So when you want to enable Prism, always see like where you have the lines more closer to each other. Copper is definitely looking good to enable the algos. Crude oil also is looking good. You can we can take a long on crude oil. At 8 o'clock we had a big up move. There was a huge candle and then there was a pullback and again it is trying to go up. If you see overall we are in a buy signal. Everything is green. It is above EMA 200. The background color is blue. So there is a high possibility for crude oil to go all the way to the top. And this time it may go all the way to 69.6. Right, everything is green here. Your background is blue. You are in a buy signal. It is above the yellow line. If the price is above these lines, that means generally it is a bullish. We always look for the buy signals. If, for example, on Friday, the price was below these lines, so it went all the way down. The price will stay bearish. So whenever it is in between the lines, it will be choppy. If price goes above these lines, that means it is bullish. Price goes below these lines, that means it is bearish. Price moves within these lines, that means it is choppy. So you can avoid when it is choppy. If it comes down, it may go all the way down. So for crude oil, the price is above. And also heating oil also you can see. Right? These are the lines. These are the lines for today. And the price is above the lines. That means it is overall bullish. I'm also trying to take a long on heating oil because overall, right, this is in a buy signal is above the lines. You can also see it is above EMA, and also one more change it broke the range. So mainly we are bullish about crude oil, or I can cancel heating oil and just focus on crude oil. My minimum target is 68.90. If it breaks that, it can go all the way to 69.20. So again, one more time I am repeating, if something is above these lines and if you get a buy signal, generally that is a very good opportunity. Right? Because if it is above these lines, that means price is bullish. If you get below these lines and you mainly focus on the sell signals. If you see anything above these lines and you get a buy signal, that is a very good opportunity. So if you see here, one is it is above EMA 200. That means it is bullish. It is above the pivot lines. It is bullish. You have everything green, bullish. Your background color is blue, bullish. So everything is right a proper setup for us. So we can confidently hold the trade. It can go all the way to 69, or if it breaks that, it can go all the way to 69.5. Here, right, waiting for crude oil to move to 69 is our target one. It break 69, then it can go to 69.15, 69.55. So you also can drop, as we know it is in a choppy, but let us take profits on crude oil and then we can take another position. If you want, you can put your target somewhere around 60. Beta algo shows what is the entry, where is your target one, target two, target three. Right? It can go further, but even if you want to take low risk, you put your target somewhere close to this one. Right? If it is 68.79, you put at 78 because that will be like a bid and ask price. Always it should be one tick less than the target. So with 85 accounts, that is nearly $300. Right? We made $60 with that. And heating oil. But again, right, if I disable everything, so your price is above the lines, right? So that means it is bullish. It is above the yellow line. That means it is bullish. You can see a lot of buyers in the market. That means it is bullish. You can see everything green here. That is bullish. So when you have all that confidence, you can confidently enter. Right? Everything is telling that heating oil will go up, and also your beta is telling if you enter here, this is your target one, target two, target, and still we can see a lot of buyers here. That means it can go much higher. It can go all the way somewhere here. When you take with all the confidence, you don't need to worry when there is a small unrealized loss because we know that everything is green. It is above a low line. There are a lot of buyers in the market. So we stayed with the crude oil long. The price will not go just in one direction. It will go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, again go up. So, but when you have everything showing that, right, we are in a buy signal, your background is blue color, your targets are towards the upside, all this is green color above the yellow line. Let us look for some bearish stickers now. Now I added this range box also to the beta algo. You can see that it is in a small box now. That means it is consolidating. If it breaks this box, then it can go up. If it breaks down, then it can go down. But overall, it is above the yellow line. That means it is bullish. But if you see the color of this, it is in the red color. That is bearish. So there is no proper confluence. One is telling it can go up, one is telling it can go down. So there is not 100% confidence whether it can go down or go up, or it may stay in the choppy zone, just move up, down, up, down. So you can avoid such type of tickers where you don't have a proper confidence. Let us look at platinum. I think the heating oil got filled. Crude oil also is still going up. So heating oil made nearly 50 $60 with each account. Crude oil made 50 $60 with each account. With the 585 accounts, that is nearly 300 300. Right? So here above EMA 200 bullish. Background color blue bullish. Everything green bullish. It is above the lines. Right? If you see it is above the lines bullish. You can see all these green fade value gaps bullish. So everything is giving you same direction, that everything is telling that it will go up. Right? That's what happened with crude oil, heating oil. Everything was giving us a proper confirmation. Then if you take long on them, you will make nice profits. Right? Even if you take $100 with 5 accounts, $500. Or even if you take $50, that is $250 in less than 15 minutes. Right? That is the advantage when you look for a proper confidence. So let us look at NKD. So NKD is, the color is red, that means bearish, but it is above EMA 200. So the background color is red, but all these are, most of it are green. So there is no proper confluence, right? One is telling it can go up, one is telling it can go down. So when you have such confusion, avoid taking those tickers. When you have proper confluence, those are the best tickers to follow. Here also it is above yellow line, but the color is red in color. That means there is no proper confluence. This is telling bullish, this is telling bearish. These are pointing towards the upside, but the price is coming down. So when there is no confluence, avoid the ticker. Now I enable the chat. So for example, now what do you think about gold? We got a sell signal. It is below the EMA 200 line, but it is not below these lines, right? Because it is still moving within the lines. The background color is red. Most of these are red in color. Your targets are towards the down. Do you think we can take a shot here? So we can take a shot here because most of it is giving us a confirmation that price can go down. Right? This is our entry price. This is target one. This is target two. This is target three. So beta is telling price will go down. You have a red background color. You have a sell signal. Most of these are red in color. It broke the EMA 200. So it is below the EMA 200. So most of the, and also you can see the, right, if you want a clear picture, you can see that there are some sellers in the market. You can see the red fair value gaps. That means more sellers are stepping into the market. And also one more thing, you remember what I said? Whenever the lines are far from each other, the price will be choppy. That means it will be in a range. It will go up, it will come down, it will go up, it will come down. So price, when market opened, price started going up. Now again it is coming down. So there is a high possibility for price to come all the way down. So it is in a sideways market. That means there is no proper trend. It won't keep going up or it won't keep going down. It will go up for some time, come down, again go up, again come down. So there is a high possibility for gold to drop. For example, if you see for ES, again the lines are far from each other. Right? That means it won't be in a big uptrend or downtrend. It will be more choppy. It will go up, come down, go up, come down. So now it is in a sell below EMA 200. There is a high possibility for a drop. Right? Most of it is red. The price can come to target 1, target 2, target 3, or minimum target 2, and then again go up. But yeah, right, it is always better you take profits on gold and then we can enter ES and NQ. If you take too many positions at same time, we may miss booking the profits. Suddenly it may touch target 1, target 2 and start moving up or you can delete the beta algo and add it back. You will see the latest changes. Gold made another $100, $110, right? Again with 585 accounts, that is another fine, right? So is your billing rate above $500 per hour? If not, this is the best opportunity, right? You can take. So all you need is look for that confluence, right? Everything is telling, right? Majority of this is red, below EMA 200, sell signal, red background, targets are towards the bottom. That's it, right? All you need is 4 5 confluences giving you confidence that price will go down. Price can come all the way to target 2 or even to target 3. But even if you make $500, that is good enough. Gold is going down, silver also will drop. That's another 100 into 5, $500. Right? Again, same thing. Sell signal, red background, below EMA 200. Most of it is red. Your targets are towards the downside. That's it, right? So again, you right. If we wait, it can drop further. Minimum till this point. There is a support here. But I'm trying to give you different examples showing that all you need is look for a conflict, right? For example, here there is something which is it is above EMA 200. You got a sell, you have a red color, but above EMA 200 is generally bullish, right? Some 3 4 are green, remaining are red. There is no proper confluence here, right? It may touch this and immediately start bouncing up. So if you take a sell here, it is little risky, right? It may break the EMA 200 or it may touch EMA 200 and start moving up. So when you see a sell signal, also see, okay, am I above the EMA 200? Then it is bullish. So when you are above EMA 200, always look for the buy signals. And also, if you see you are above the lines, right? Above the lines means generally that is bullish. So it can start, right? It may start bouncing here, or it may come here and start bouncing. So when you are above EMA, above the lines, always look for the buy signals. When you are below EMA, below these lines, always look for the sell signals. Then you will make nice profits, right? You are looking for a confirmation from different indicators, or you are not just depending on sell signal, you are also seeing, okay, am I above the line or below the yellow line? Am I above these blue lines or below the blue lines? You are right. You may make profits, but it is like 60/40. 60 times you may make profit, 40 times you may make a loss. But when you are something like this, you will make 90% of the time you will make profits. You are below EMA 200, you are below these lines, your red background, everything is red. So you have much higher chance of probability of making profits. That's what we always need to look for, right? Trading is all about probability. Where you have higher probability, you pick those options. And even if you make one trade every day between 8 to 10 p.m. with a proper confidence, we'll make $500 $600. We come all the way till here. Yeah, it will touch this and again it will start going up. right? Because this is in a range sideways market. So if I get a buy signal on copper, that will be a good opportunity. Just remember the rules. If it is above these lines or above and above EMA 200, always look for the buy signals, buy opportunities. You can ignore the sells, sell and look for the buy. You will make nice profits. When price is below these lines and below the EMA line, always look for the sell signals, sell opportunities. Especially if the lines are close to each other, then there can be a big up move. If it starts moving up, if we get a buy signal, then copper can move big. Right? When market opened, it moved all the way here, and then there is some profit booking, and again it will start moving up soon. Either it can move from here or it may touch this and then start moving up. So you got a buy, but your background color is red. So immediately you got a sell signal. So you can avoid if you get a buy and your background color becomes blue, then that will be a good opportunity. Just like in top trend, we have the colors. I added colors to the beta algo. This is below yellow line, below the line, blue lines. So until it goes above the yellow line, it is always good for the sell opportunities. Same thing with ES. Below the yellow line, below the blue lines. That's the line. It started going up. So that's why I told when this is above the yellow line, even you get a sell signal, it is little risky. If we get a buy, then it can make another $100 with each account. Right, in this case, right, it is below the blue lines, also below the yellow line. So any sell signal is a good opportunity. Everything is red here, red background. If you see a sell signal, then there can be a big downtrend. Last week Bitcoin went up so much. Entire last week it went to nearly 67,100. Yeah, it went close to 67,100 and touch that as a premium zone resistance. Right? Every day there will be many buy and sell signals. So as long as it is below yellow line, below the blue lines, best for sell. If it is above yellow line, above blue line, best for buy. Whether it is stocks or whatever it is. For example, CONL. Right? Whatever time frame it is, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever it is. If you get a buy and strong buy or strong buy, and if it is above the yellow line, above the blue lines for the day, then it is a good opportunity. So tomorrow morning, if we see any stocks where you get a buy above yellow line and buy above blue lines, you can buy the calls. Now we are waiting for the buy signal on copper. NKD will be choppy. These lines are very fast. So as of now, we don't have any open positions. We took profits on crude oil, on heating oil, on gold, silver. We took profits on all the four. We are just waiting for a buy signal on copper. If we get a buy signal here, then it can go all the way to the top again. If I get a buy signal on crude oil, I can go long again. If the lines are very close, there will be a big uptrend or big downtrend. If the lines are far, then they will be in a range, right? In a sideways market, or they will go up, come down, go up, come down. So CL also is like that. Your lines are far. So it went up, came down. Again, it is trying to go up. So if we get a buy signal, wherever the lines are far, for example, you see on Friday, the lines are very, very close. There was a huge downtrend. Today, the lines are far. Price will go up, will come down, again will go up, will come down. Like that, it will be in a range. There won't be a single one side direction. So now if we get a buy, then again it can go all the way to the top. Right, again touch the EMA 200. There is a support here. Is trying to bounce back. Right, again remember the rule. If price is above the blue lines and price is above the yellow line, always look for the buy signals. Buy signals are the best ones because generally that will try to move towards the upside. Same thing, CL and heating oil will be in the same direction. So heating oil also is above the blue lines. So we are watching for a buy signal on copper, on heating oil, on crude oil. We are watching for buy signal on all the three. So if we get a buy, then we can take. They are the best opportunities because this is above the blue line, this is above the yellow line. Same thing with crude oil and also heating oil. If you want, you can always set alert on those stickers. Those are the three main ones because they are above the yellow line and also they are above the blue lines. So if they start moving up, there is a high possibility for them to give nice profits. Expecting a big move in crude oil back to 68.8. So again, yeah, you can wait for buy signal. Most probably in the next candle we'll get it. Especially if you have 25 150k account, you can always add one more position. Even if it comes little bit down, I can add one more contract. Waiting for buy signal here. CL should move up. Copper, heating oil, all this thing should move up. So if we get a buy signal, we can go long. On CL, I took a little risk because overall it is in a range. Copper also we can, but yeah, just waiting for the buy signal. So you already combined RCPP into beta algo. So you don't need so this is another that's another 300 $350 with my account. So like this, right, as I mentioned, it is above yellow, above the blue lines. So already as part of beta, you will see these blue lines. I'm testing something else, so I kept that as a separate, but already if you delete beta and add it back, you will see all these blue lines as part of beta itself. So we made right nearly five, we took five trades, we made profits on all the five trades. Copper also will give buy signal. Heating oil also will move up, but yeah, it's already 9:30, so that's it, right? All you need to follow is some three or four rules. That's it. If it is above blue and above yellow, look for the long opportunities. If it is below yellow, below blue, look for the sell opportunities. That's it. You follow that rule, and if there is gap, there it will be more in a range in a side, right? It will go up, come down, go up, come down. If it is very close to each other, there will be a big downtrend or big uptrend. That is where you can enable the Prism algo mainly in the Europe and Asia, US hours. Asia market right now after 9:30 10 p.m. it will be little choppy. So 2 a.m. Central till 7 a.m. Central you can enable before sleeping, and then again 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central. So 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Whenever these lines are close to each other for those tickers. For example, copper is a good one today. Most of the other tickers are very right, they are in a range, so they will be choppy. Yes, and Q, all those are choppy today. So look where whenever these lines are close to each other, that is where you will have a big up move, big down moves. So if you remember those rules, you will be successful. Yeah, you can buy Ninja Algos. Yeah, Prism is one of the top ones. Spectrum, Prism, Titanium. Those are the three top algos. Green line in the bottom on the CL chart. Now this is like if price comes here, that is like a support. So if price comes here, price can bounce. So these red lines are like resistance. If price goes there, it will come down. Price goes here, it will bounce back. Those are the support and resistance lines. Green lines are support, red lines are resistance. As long as price is above the blue lines, the ticker is bullish. Always look for the buy opportunities. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So if you follow the rules, do a systematic approach trading every day, $300-400 between 8 to 10. That is with one account. If you have 5 accounts, you can make $1,000 to $1,500. Just only follow the rules as I suggested. Right, again tomorrow during 9 a.m. We'll do demo. We'll take more options. Right, in the morning time, we can mainly focus on options. In the evening time, I can mainly focus on the futures. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Have a nice week.